What's up, everybody? 49's Fine, back at you again today with another precious metals video, and today I wanted to talk about if silver and gold spot price ever took a big crash, all it would do is make me smile. Let's talk about it. A huge thank you to our community members. Thank you guys very, very much for being part of the finest. Let me preface this video by stating this is not financial advice. Do your own research, come to your own conclusions based upon that, and please like this video and subscribe as we push for 3,000 subs. All right, let's get into it. Precious metals investing and precious metals savings, as I like to put it more often, is different than any other asset that you could buy. If your house suddenly lost 20% of its value, that would not make you happy. If your stock portfolio wasn't performing well, that wouldn't make you happy either. It seems that silver and gold is the only type of asset that I can think of personally that people kind of get happy when it crashes. And so I wanted to talk about that today. When we look at stocks, let's say you're investing in, Walmart, something that everybody knows. That's a stock that typically performs well over time. Now imagine it has a bad month. You would take a slight small mental note of it. You know, sometimes companies, they don't always appreciate in value. Sometimes they drop a little bit. No big deal, things happen. Now let's say a whole quarter, a whole 3 months, it drops in value. Then you're a little bit concerned, but it could be yearly conditions. Maybe this year is a little bit tougher on stocks like Walmart, and over time it'll go up regardless. But then a year and a half passes and it continues to lose value. Maybe it's lost 45% of its value over the course of a year and a half. You would not be happy at all with that stock, and you would probably likely exit your position. Public companies and metals are two completely different things. If a company fails to perform well in the markets over an extended period of time, that is due to real world conditions. That company is failing. And investors are not happy when they see that happen if they want that stock to appreciate. Now with silver and gold, currently we're floating around 2,800, 2,900 spot price for gold. We're floating around $31 to $33 for silver at the time of filming this video. And yeah, it makes a lot of us happy to see these metals prices soar, but at the same time, it would make us happy if they dropped. And that's pretty funny because I think that just concretes the fact that silver and gold are forever. Companies like Walmart won't be around forever. Companies like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, whatever it is, they won't be around forever, but silver and gold retains its value and appreciates over time, and it has done so for all of human history. And as long as we exist in a fiat society where dollars are being printed rampantly like they are in the United States and all over the rest of the world, we know for a fact that things like silver and gold will appreciate over the long term. Now, sure, there are times where it dips. It does have some volatility. It is a market just like any other market. It's not always going to go up. And yeah, sometimes there's extended periods of time where it moves sideways and it stagnates and it doesn't do exactly what we want it to do. But in the grand scheme of things, it will appreciate over time due to the systems that we live under, these fiat systems that are fueled by debt and ridiculous interest rates and rampant money printing that's causing inflation. Because these systems exist and will continue to exist probably for a decent amount of time into the future, we know for a fact that silver and gold will appreciate over time no matter what. Silver's not going out of business. Gold isn't going out of business. It's not the same as a car company that you could invest in. It's not the same as an ambitious startup that you could invest in. It is of the earth. It is timeless. And for that reason, that's what makes it the most reliable, tangible asset that you can own. And for those reasons, that's why people get excited when they see metals prices drop, because it only means that they get to buy more at a cheaper price. People don't get nearly as scared when they see a 10-15% drop in metals as they might in a traditional stock. If the S&P 500 were to drop 15% over the course of a week, like it has recently due to the new tariffs being announced, there is chaos in the streets. It's all over the news. It's all over the media. People are panicking. People are scared. But with metals, all we're doing is sitting back and smiling, because we know the next time we go into our local coin shop or go online to our favorite online dealer, we're going to get a sweet deal and we're going to be able to pick up some nice pieces on the dip. I see that comment a lot on a lot of different channels all over YouTube, stating that they don't understand why stackers get excited when prices drop. It's because stackers know that this stuff is concrete, it's gonna go up over time, and all a dip means is a buying opportunity. As far as stocks go, if there's a dip or if a stock stagnates, that's big trouble for that company. If it underperforms over an extended period of time, and then you hear news of layoffs, and then you hear news of debt that the company is accumulating, and then you see their prices increase, or maybe they're having location closures, that's not good. That stock may not exist. That company may not exist a few years into the future. But no matter what, you know what will exist? This pretty stuff right here. Look how pretty this dragon bar is. I love this dragon bar. Michelangelo told me about this one. He let me know about it and I picked it up immediately. I'm still happy he let me know about this, but sorry, I'm rambling. Anyways, guys, I hope everyone's doing well out there. Stay safe. Let me know what you guys think about this topic down in the comments below. How do you feel about a metals crash or maybe an aggressive spot price decrease? Let me know down in the comments below. Stay safe out there. Keep stacking. Peace.